Hey everybody, Ramey here, and today I want to show you how to create a chart or a graph in Excel. It's one of the things I think Excel is great for. I love using this in presentations or when I want to present data like in a research paper or something like that. I create a chart in Excel. So let me show you how to do it because it's really easy, it's really useful, and so many times have I went to go do this and I'm like, how do I do that again? Because I totally forget. So I just wanted to create a really quick video to show you how to do it. So you can see up here on my screen, I have two columns, and you can use as many as you want to. But what I've done is let's say I have two data sets and I want to create a chart with them. What do? So I have one data set called left brain and one data set called right brain. Because, we have two sides to our brain. And they're just randomly meaningless numbers, but I made them different enough. You can see left brain's numbers range from 3 to 5, and right brain's range from 0 to 2. I just did that so it'd be really nice and easy, really simple to show you how to do it. And as you want to get more complicated, you make it more complicated. Okay, let me show you how to make the chart. Super, super easy. All right, so I'm going to select all my stuff. Make it really easy. I like to select everything. There are a couple ways to do everything in Excel, but I like to select everything because it makes it easy. You're going to go to Insert, and then what I like to do is you can select the type of chart you want, but what I like to do is I like to click Recommended Charts, because sometimes I like to see like a couple of different ways that I could possibly, sometimes like I have a chart idea in my head, and then I see they're recommended, and I'm like, oh yeah, that one actually looks better. So I do like to look at the recommended charts. I'm going to click recommended charts. You can see it's automatically populating my data into some various different kinds of charts. So what do I want this one to look like? Like maybe this makes sense right here, what's up on the screen. So it's all about your data at this point. Like, well, what kind of chart do I want? Maybe I just want a simple line chart. I'm going to select OK. Boom, I got a chart up on the screen. That easy. But it's not always pretty. Maybe I don't like the colors. Maybe I forgot to add some data. So you have the chart though. I have this simple chart. I can change the title and do some stuff. But let's say like I need to add more data. I don't like the chart. I want to edit some things. So let's show you how to do that. So I can click this little chart styles button. And what that's going to do is allow me to do some funky things with my line chart, first of all. You can see it's giving me some options. There we go. I've added some dots for each of the numbers. Okay. Then let's say I want to do some more. So I click on my chart again. I click this button, and now I can select do I want left brain to be unchecked? Do I not want it there? Do I need to change? Do I need to select new data? So this is where I can start to actually do some more modifications to my chart. Then let's say I don't like some of the colors. I don't like this blue here. I don't like the orange. I can modify those as well. I can click this little plus button and I can pick what I actually want to edit. And I can I clicked on the little arrow here, and I'm just going to click more options. And you can see it's going to show me all kinds of different options now that I can choose from. Things from sizes, alignment, shapes like effects, to colors. And once I have this little format area opened up here on the screen, I can select a piece. I've now just selected a line, or I can select this line or a whole piece. But I'll select this line right here. I'll go to the color, and you can see it's blue, but I can change it to whatever I want to. It wouldn't make sense to have orange and red. Maybe I want it to be black, or a blackish color. You can see a gray or something. All of a sudden, now I got black and orange, but I can pick whatever color I want to, and you can see my dots are now blue, so I would need to go in and select my dots and change their color. But you can see how I can really start to format stuff, and I can add a shadow effect and do a bunch of different. There we go. Now I got a little shadow effect. So it's really simple to create a chart, and it's really easy to make it look pretty and look good for your data set. So whatever you have in mind, and I love, as I said, this insert, the recommended charts. I totally think it's worth doing that because sometimes they're showing you some different examples and maybe you didn't think of you looking at your data that way, and it's a good way to look at it. Thank you very much. Bye.